The use of credit cards provides us with significant advantages when used correctly. If we strengthen the aspect of self-awareness that is lacking in our work and begin to have more control over our spending, there is no harm in using credit cards. But as I said, my suggestion is to avoid using your credit cards for a while until you truly get to know yourself, learn your spending habits, and develop them. Later on, you should definitely use a credit card because it is not only an easy payment method, but it also provides serious security and acts as a database that has a memory on your behalf. You can look at your spending categories anytime you want. You can make comparisons with the previous month. At the same time, the cards have many advantages that they provide to you, including cashback. If you are using a credit card for a purchase, you can return it as soon as you realize that you really don't need it, after not using it for a certain period of time after the purchase. As you know, we have a fund for emergencies within our conscious spending plan. You can use your credit cards before using this fund. This way, you can earn from a 1-month term here. In this way, you can keep your fund afloat by compensating for it without consuming it. One of the most important benefits of a credit card is the option to purchase what you really need in installments. For example, many of my friends bought expensive computers, started making money the next day, and comfortably paid off the debt for the computer thanks to the money they earned with it. As I said, if you can use credit cards wisely and sensibly, they provide you with significant advantages. They offer you financing. I provide you with free credit. If there is something you intend to buy that is really expensive and you need it, you can purchase it without delay. This is because, especially in countries with high inflation, the prices of everything increase every day. No matter how much money you save for this, at the end of that period, you still won't be able to buy that material at that price. You can use your credit card to get today's price, and by paying it off on time, you can finance this process without paying any interest. For me, credit cards are a very important payment tool for seizing the right opportunities at the right time. To me, credit cards are like free credit. Besides that, for me, credit cards are not my spending tool, but rather memory aids that confirm whether I am maintaining my conscious plan.